hard to notice this, but you can't unsee it once you have. If you can see right in here, the cutouts, see how it's not trimmed, especially up here on the top. My OCD, I want to pull this off and reapply that correctly, because when you see that, versus this one, which granted this is kind of beat up, but do you see how perfectly trimmed? It just looks nicer because it is nicer. It was done properly. Let me know if you want me to pull the other two off. I might have to get some more tape in order to do that. This one, and I've tried trimming it on here just a little bit, a little piece right here just a couple minutes ago. The problem with that is that I risk with a razor blade cutting the vinyl, and I don't want to do that. But this one's not as bad. You can see like here how it's not. Again, it's tedious if you're going to do it right. But if you do it once right, you're done forever.